So today's task is cleaning this bad boy. Look at it. Look at it. How do you get this white stuff off? What is this?
My arm hurts.
Pat got her vaccine.
Oh,
You want to open it? This is for a video.
I didn't get a cute sticker like girl.
Well, you got stickers from our friend. She got stickers. Thank you very much, friend. You sent us some necklaces. She don't want to focus, but she got a turtle and Pumbaa got a cat, a black cat.
What?
I'll show you what's in here. It's horrible. So here it is. It's bad. Like this is probably, well, it's like pretty empty. It's not full.
No,
It's
just
like crap.
misplaced. That's all.
Like
We just went to the store. We just got.
What
these.
is that?
I don't know.
Oh, I found these cukes.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna eat that for video. But anyways, this is a hot mess. Everything is a mess. It needs to be wiped down. It needs to be cleaned. Look at it. I'm gonna be real. Now look at this. This is the most horrible thing because you have to take out this whole container and
like,
Durf has to take the glass off.
We don't even know how to get it, like how it gets under there.
No, I don't even know what it was. But whatever. So yeah.
Ooh,
This is the before. We have like no light on. Look at us. Where are we? It's gonna have salsa and cream cheese. Babe. But yeah, it's super dirty.
Wait. Oh, we do.
Oh, here's the door. We love our condiments. You ever notice that? I hate this. Look at how tiny this is.
I know.
Like, hardly fits anything. Today we're gonna be cleaning this out and having a snack. A snack.
And it was like, I was gonna slide up on your mom's story and say I would do the interview, but then I read it was for Muslims.
Only get the hot pack.
Why?
Because it's the best one. Something so simple. I wonder if girl's gonna film with me like every day. She said she should.
And like free food?
Yeah, like I eat like my sister a week.
Yeah. Once a day.
Like, did I lose weight? I think that'd be interesting.
She'll probably gain weight here.
Or we
For
eat
like 2 seconds.
because we like eat.
We eat, but she's also like, what, vegan?
Yeah, but she could eat this.
Oh yeah.
Well, not that, but
Yeah. I'm like annoyed by my arm. Can you not?
just show them what I eat random. I haven't eaten anything today. I ate this, and I ate an Airhead and a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah. I ate the same thing and what was a bagel. With some butter.
I'm starving. Let's go. Look at it.
Hard to open.
Ew.
Wow, that's nasty. Hold on.
Well, you can't see how gross it is from here, thank God. I'm all. Ta-da. What?
Saying that like it's clean.
Ta-da, it's disgusting. Oh, see, like, I don't know what happened here.
What?
Look, it's like so in there and disgusting.
Yeah.
We have two of these, like, can we merge? Or... There's no teams. Okay.
Oh, because it's good.
Ooh. Wow, looks like we just bought it. Ugh.
Do it. Do it. Beautiful.
Yep, I like it.
Now every damn container.
What? He just.
What's it?
Wait, the shelf is in here. Oh wait.
It's just behind her. What? The milk won't fit. Oh shit. I feel so shitty. Like, this doesn't want to work. Like, that doesn't even feel right. No. Trash. Garbage.
Yeah.
True.
I have TV.
Your butt looked funny.
My butt?
Do you feel funny?
No.
You look funny.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I mean, I'm hot.
I wanted wine because of those videos. Which one? Oh, I got this one last time, so I gotta get this one, huh?
That one even looks better.
Yeah, they didn't have this last time. Okay, so the power's out. Let me show you. Let me prove it to you. Look on screen. Mid video, so yeah. So I went to Target to try to. Oh, look, that's a candle pack.
Oh.
My camera's dying. Oh, they've just turned it on. Okay. Okay, so this is everything I got from Target just to fill up the fridge. I got some Gatorades, some Cherry 7-Up Zero, some Chulis for my live tomorrow, some Pellegrino, the flavored one, and then the regular. I got some wine because of all those TikToks I was watching. Now I want one. Got some grapes, some plastic wrap for a plant pack. Wanted something, I don't know. Some buns for some burgers tonight. Some cheese. This is for a crawfish boil. I seen people use mushrooms and I wanted them. And then strawberries, some green onions, Coke Zero, Diet Dr. Pepper. And this is for my car. This, I dropped it and all the liquid fell out.
It stinks.
And it stinks apparently. Pack already had shoved this in the bathroom. This goes in the bathroom. So this is a drawer. No progress yet. We're about to empty the whole thing out. Like, there's a lot of just crap, you know.
Ooh, we can make ragoons.
She cuts these. So.
We didn't know this came out, but this whole drawer.
This whole thing came out. And
Yeah, it's so gross in there. And then my mom dropped these, and so we started freaking out. But then we got it out, and
like, do I want to clean that?
not really.
spilled crab.
I don't know what happened.
Tell them all your mess ups.
Okay, so I called the pickle a pit bull. I called the ham a turkey. I was like, we got a turkey. It's a ham. And I just grabbed this from the butt end, even though I knew this was open. And it just fell.
I can't. You're too much.